Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today's video is all about the Harley-Davidson Recall. Thanks for joining me. I'm just making a short video about the Harley-Davidson Recall. This is my 2004 Harley Sportster XL 1200R, so it's a roadster. This is not part of the recall. But what they are recalling are the Harley Softail. About 82,000, a little over 82,000 of them are being recalled because the mounting tab for the rear shock, the preload shock, can break off. That rear shock can fall into the tire and causing a crash or even a death. Now, there are limited models that they are recalling. And I will put a list here of the specific motorcycles. So they are recalling a 2018 and 2019 FLDE. They're also recalling the 2018 to 2024 FLHCS, the 2018 to 2021 FLHC, the 2020 to 2024 FXLRS, the 2022 to 2024 FXLRST, the 2018 and 2023 FLHCS ANV, and the 2022 FXRST. Owners can call Harley-Davidson directly with any of their questions. That phone number is 1-800-258-2464, and then the number for the recall is 0188. You may also contact the National Highway Transportation Safety Administration. The number for the Vehicle Safety Hotline is 1-888-327-4236, or you can visit www.nhtsa.gov. Now, there have been no injuries or deaths reported in relation to this recall, but it is something that you would want to get done because it can cause an accident if that tab were to break. But that's all I have. It's just a short video. Just wanted to let you know about the recall on the Harleys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.